This 2024 Grand Design Reflection 297 RSTS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Grand Design is 33 feet 11 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, Sleep 6, spare tire kit, smoke detector, Colorado detector, oven, DVD player, leveling jacks, microwave, slideout, stove-top burner, refrigerator, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bath, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Reflection 297 RSTS is 8,312 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.